Once upon a time, there was a magical story about a green box.
I think it's in this green mag. Should we read it?
Yeah, let's read it.
Mark Lewis, you tell a story about the green box.
Yes.
This is like your dad's legacy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
Okay, so when I was in my late teens, Dad sat me down in front of this green cash tin, hence why the story is called The Green Box. It literally was a green box. And in it there was a whole bunch of documents, and he sort of said to me, you know, if anything ever happens to your mother and I, go to this box, it'll have everything you need. But of course, you know, you don't kind of think much about that until the time came, and when Mum and Dad died in an aircraft accident in New Zealand. And I went to this green box because it had been drummed into me so much, and it really did have everything I needed to sort out their estates. And what it did was gave us enormous peace of mind and saved an enormous amount of heartache and hassle and lawyers' fees and things like that, because we actually managed to deal with their estate in a very short time frame and essentially be able to get on with our lives.
And be able to grieve, I guess, as opposed to worrying about the finance stuff.
And the peace of mind that it gave us was just enormous.
It's almost like he knew that something was going to happen. It's almost weird.
Well, it all happens to us eventually.
Yeah,
but,
I know, but like together,
do
you know what I mean? It's very rare that happens.
But he used to drum it into me, you know, every time we spoke on the phone, because I was living interstate and quite often overseas.
Did you think he was crazy? Just like, yeah, Dad, whatever.
Well, when you're 19, you're kind of bulletproof, aren't you?
Yeah.
You don't even think about those kinds of things. But you know, he did this when he first started the business, started Burnley Lewis Home Loans, and you know, I was about to head off interstate to start my career, and you know, he sat me down and said, you know, if anything ever happens to your mother and I, go to this box, it'll have everything you need. And you kind of don't think about it at the time, but then when it did happen, to then open that box, and it really did have everything I needed.
So you're passing that on now for other people to do the same thing?
Yeah, I've given the presentation to thousands of people already.
It's the chat we need to have, but it's the chat that gives me anxiety. Like, I cry just thinking about it.
The funny thing is most young people don't even want to think about it. But for young people, maybe the message is for them to talk to their parents about having a green box, because like I was the executor for Mum and Dad's estate, it could potentially have been a really difficult time for me. Not only the fact that I'm losing my parents, but also having to go through the dealings of you know, finalising an estate. It's a difficult, time-consuming, frustrating process.
And codes and passwords and...
Oh, there's all sorts of things, yeah.
Even with mobile phones and stuff.
So, you know, for young people, you know, when you're young, you think you're bulletproof. We're all like it.
Yeah.
You don't think about those kinds of things, or you think, well, I don't own very much anyway, so why do I need to bother? But maybe it becomes a segue for a conversation with your parents about making sure they've got a green box, because, you know, inevitably one day we're all going to die, and you know, we all unfortunately will lose our parents at some point.
Okay, now I'm getting really sad.
Deal with their
My mum and dad have a safe, and every time they go overseas, they get me to go and go, this is the password, and I get too anxious, and I'm like, I don't want to know about it. I don't want to go anywhere near that box.
Oh, your parents sound like they're organised.
Yeah, they are. They're organised, but I hate to think about that. But it is something we should all talk about.
But it is so important.
Yeah.
It is so important.
I'm sorry about your parents.
Yeah, it's 16 years ago now.
But now this is your dad's legacy. So if we can share it, and if people learn something from the green box and it helps them, then that's something that your dad's passed around.
It's good. Yeah. No, I enjoy giving the presentation. I really do. And you know, obviously COVID shut things down for a little bit, but I'm giving them, you know, 3 or 4 a month, which is good.
Thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Mark.